Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to turn on screen attention on Pixel. So just open your menu, then go to settings, then you can see option of display and touch. Go to that option, then you can see screen timeout option. Open that settings, screen timeout. Then you can see option of screen attention. That means Pixel server use your front cam to scan. If you are looking at the phone, then the phone never turn off the screen. So it is a futuristic function, and that will be use little bit more battery. And Google says that they never store or use your face data to any other places, so it is secure. So that's guys, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.